every 2 seconds.
You have no idea. Like, I still am getting them every 2 seconds for this one. And I was like, fine, I'll do it. I
love it.
I do like this one. This one was a good buy. It comes with this, which is like good for Norman, the Deferminator. This brush, I don't know if you can. Ready?
Yep. Oh.
Got it. Which is really good for Toby's longer hair coat. But what I really like is the trimmer, because Toby has very long hair and it comes with guards. And I don't know why I've never invested in one of these before for him, because it works so much. But it works so much better for like trimming his fur and especially his feet, because he gets really long fur on his feet. I probably will never use this attachment.
What is that? Oh, for the nails?
Yeah, this is a nail grinder. I don't know if I'll ever feel comfortable putting that kind of torture on them.
Fair.
This one comes with this like lint roller thing that works really good. So you can like do it on your clothes or like on your furniture and stuff.
Oh.
And like it.
It's not just for dogs now. It's for us.
So
okay.
That, and then
Sweet.
This piece also, same thing. It's for like crevices and like cleaning off your furniture and stuff.
Okay. So I think we paid like $50. I think that, so definitely worth it.
For sure. If you have dogs that you like,
And the thing,
groom,
yes. I think they'll get used to this too. This thing isn't that loud.
No, it's not.
Oh, jeez. Look at all that crap.
Yeah, this was because I shaved.
Is that one session?
No, this is because, well, Toby's butt gets really shaggy. Mm-hmm. So I did his butt today. So that was all his butt fur and his
butt fur. Wow.
Yeah.
All right. And good job.
Thanks.
Yay. Thanks, TikTok.